Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. Before we start, if you want to set the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Unveil application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the Unveil application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on the device page, scroll down and find the alarm clock reminder option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on Add to. Tapping here. Oh, we can't name it apparently. I thought we can. Oh no, we can change the naming. Okay, so we can name the alarm, for example, wake up. Then we can tap on time and set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on a period, and here you can select how often the alarm should repeat. And we have a statutory working day, every day, or customize. And you can select customize, and here you can select specific days, as you can see, or you can select every day. And so if you select every day option, it will repeat every day. And if you select the first option, the statutory working day, it will go to from Monday to Friday, so it will repeat on every working day. So select the option you like, and once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have the alarm. As you can see, we can turn it on or off. We can have multiple alarms, so we can tap on Add to, and we can add another one, like that. We can remove the alarms by tapping on the delete, selecting the alarm, and tapping on delete, like that. And once you're done setting up the alarms, you can close the app. And once the watch syncs with your phone, the alarm will be enabled. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.